Here's a 2015 Nissan Altima. This sedan comes equipped with a suite of standard safety, driving, and convenience features aimed to inspire certainty behind the wheel. Drive smoothly with the 4-wheel independent suspension and traction control. Quickly get information from the advanced Drive Assist display. Feel safe with an advanced airbag system, anti-lock brakes, and tire pressure monitor. Make this purposeful 2015 Altima your own. It's a 2015 Nissan Altima. How would you like fluid, powerful acceleration, refined handling, and incredibly efficient fuel economy in a stylish sedan? Plus, it has impressive technology like push-button start, an advanced drive assist display, Bluetooth, an advanced airbag system, and active understeer control. This Altima has it all. Stop in and check it out before it's gone.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.